Friends, welcome my channel, and today we're going to play a new game in my channel named Beach Buggy Racing 2. So in there it's like a race, but which you have to use like a beach buggy racing cars and like these all, and hope we win. I'm gonna do like a race, it's a short video race, and we will try to win 2 or 1. Okay, so let's get started. Wow, it's good. This is the Shark Harbor. Adding there is a beach with some food here. Let's start the game. Oh my god, there's 6 people. I'm the 5th place. Get this power up. This power up activates your. Oh shit, I missed the already. I'm the worst beach bugger. Now that guy, see in the top bar, he has been dead from existence. You killed. That's what you get for slapping. If you activate both, you'll go like super fast. This will go very fast. See how fast I went. Put some oil on it and you go like that. Rift. You are in lap 2 and let's go. This exclamation mark will will do fastly this revolving. See how fast I am. So my audio is very bad. Please cooperate it. And this is the dragon. This guy shoots the dragon off to someone to eliminate that person or die that kill. I'm very close. No. Oh, please. Yes. Oh my god, that was so intense. Now I have 2530. If I get like 2030 or something, it will be like you have to defeat one person, but it'll take so much time. And these are the power ups I have to use. And how much? Oh my god, I can't waste my money because I have 218 rupees. So let's get started with this. The name of it is the Tiki Temple. This is very awesome. I tried it one time. It has like a temple in it inside. And this is me. And then the 4th place of death. And let's get started off. I'm a 6 pro. 6 is better than nothing. Are you ready to see? Oh no, some inactivated balls. No, my god, I am a worst player in the whole wide world. You don't take my shortcut, I'll slap you so nicely. What is this? Winner 3. You're not even a winner. You're a loser. Put some fire on that to make it so natural. Oh no. You die faster. If you run fast, I will. This is the worst one. I'm dying happily. So badly. Okay, come on. That guy is in lead. Okay, I got 2. Oh, no. Yes. Oh shit, yeah. I'm gonna die. This is a beast power up. Oh really? Use that one. I use mine. Psych. Oh yes, 2 more. To poop in it. Who likes it? Beep. Oh yeah, right? I was gonna take. Go fast. Go fast. I'm first. I'm in first. No, Jacqueline. Yeah, baby. I'm going to win. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe my channel right now. And I'll see you tomorrow.